Want to stop using Find My iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off Find My iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn off Find My iPhone, first open your iPhone settings. Tap your name at the top. Then select Find My. At the top, tap Find My iPhone. Then tap the switch labeled Find My iPhone to turn this off. To confirm, enter your Apple ID password. Then tap Turn Off in the top right corner. Find My iPhone will then be disabled. If you change your mind, you can come back and tap the switch to turn Find My iPhone back on. That's all it takes to disable Find My iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.